Good morning, boys and girls. Today is another big day. Burnley versus Reading. It's all I've been thinking about. Always be proud of this. Always. Sensational shirt. And yes, I am absolutely soaked through, which is the real Burnley experience. Okay, so the fans all today with Adam and Freddie. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Fantastic. Great to meet you, pal.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you.
Brilliant.
Here we go. Every time I walk out of turf, it's always like the first time I've ever been here. Decent view on commentary for today. Or the Clarets.
This is pre-match live. Good afternoon and welcome to Turf Moor. We're right here up until kick-off. Pleased to say, alongside me today, Liam Waddington. Welcome to Turf Moor. How are you?
I'm doing great, pal. How are you?
Yes, good. Really good. And you know, the season's going quite well, isn't it?
Half time, 0-0. It's been a really interesting half in terms of how well Reading has defended. Second half, I think we have it.
Big chance here for Ince, and he's got there and has scored. Their game plan has worked. Might fall for Benson. Yes! 1-1. Manuel Benson. What a finish that is on his left foot. Burnley a level. Uses Benson. Can he get the better of Raymond here?
Fantastic.
Skips past him.
Fantastic.
Running at them now. Into the box, Benson.
Fantastic.
Into the middle. It's there! Barely have won it to the end. Fantastic at the end. It's Zarori right to the back post. Burnley 2, Reading 1.
What a moment, what a run. Manuel Benson has turned this game on its head with a goal and with a marvellous assist. He has no right to drive through like that. With the outside of his stronger foot, outside the boot, he got 3 men back post. You've got to beg that someone gets their head onto it, someone gets something, and lo and behold, Anas Zaroury gets it.
What a game that was at the end. What a day. What a day. Come on, you Clarets.